Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Today in history, not in U.S. history, but in our timeline of life history, you're going to be learning about the mass extinction that happened at the end of the Cretaceous period. Remember, we talked about it just a tiny bit last week, but really what we said is we'll learn about it next week. So now we're there. You guys are going to watch a really cool science experiment about what it must have been like when the asteroid crashed into the Earth at that time, causing the mass extinction. And hold on just a second, let me look and see, try to see what is for today. Yes, okay, so what you're going to do today, you're going to watch that video about the asteroid. You are also going to mark, you have in your packet a map. It has the United States, Canada, Mexico. It's a map of North America. It has the Central American countries, and it tells you on there what to do, that you need to color Canada, the United States, and Mexico. And then in Mexico, you are going to find the Yucatan Peninsula. I have given you, in the bottom corner, it shows you where that is. Okay, so that little map in the bottom corner shows you where in Mexico, when Mexico kind of curves like this, the little peninsula that sticks up, the Yucatan Peninsula, that is where the asteroid hit. So you are going to indicate that on your map. But I wanted to read this to you as a little introduction, and it's called, Where Did the Dinosaurs Go? And I'm going to read this to you. It's just a little introduction, just a fun introduction to the mass extinction. Lynx and Budge were learning about planets from their teacher. Are there dinosaurs like us on other planets? Asked Budge. They're learning about planets. Madame Thor shook her huge horned head. No, Budge. Once upon a time, dinosaurs lived on planet Earth, she said, but they vanished long ago. So here's the teacher, Madame Thor, and do you know what kind of dinosaur she is? 1, 2, 3. Triceratops. Maybe the humans fought them, said Lynx. There were no humans then, said Madame Thor. Dinosaurs were the most powerful beings on the earth. So here are the kids doing their drawings, just like you guys do your drawings in your Story Starter copybooks, in your cultural copybooks. They're working. They're little dinosaur students are working just like you guys. Lynx bit some leaves off a tree and munched them. He wasn't interested in other planets. Budge looked worried. If Earth dinosaurs were powerful, what made them disappear? She asked. Oh, look how worried she looks. Look at her. Look at her little face. She's worried. It looks like her belly hurts. She has so much anxiety and worry, her little belly hurts. I bet they ran away from the mammals, said Lynx. He didn't like mammals. They moved too fast, and he was afraid of stepping on them. There were few mammals on Earth then, said Madame Thor. Then what happened? Asked Budge. Did they all get sick? So remember, this is during the Cretaceous period, when there were a few animals, like a few mammals, like this little guy here, but not many. It wasn't until the Cenozoic period that we got into the age of mammals, which is where we're headed this week. Let's see if we can solve the mystery, said Madame Thor. What do we dinosaurs need? Food, said Lynx, biting off another branch. Lots and lots of food. We don't all eat as much as you, Lynx, but yes, dinosaurs need food, and lots of it, said Madame Thor. What do we dinosaurs eat? If a dinosaur is a herbivore, what does he eat? We eat green plants, said Budge. Some of us eat animals, but those animals eat plants. That means we all need plants. So this is showing here kind of a food chain where this animal ate the plant, and then he ate this dinosaur. So even though he is a carnivore and ate the dinosaur, that dinosaur was a herbivore and it needed plants. So either way, this guy needs plants. Very good, said Madame Thor. So what do plants need? So what do plants need? If you've got vegetables or flowers or something in your yard, or even our little plants in our classroom, what do they need? They need water, they need soil, said Budge, and sunlight, said Lynx. He picked a bit of tree out of his teeth. Look, he's using this like a giant toothpick. So the dinosaurs need plants. Plants need water, soil, and sunlight. Remember that huge cloud of ash we saw when the big volcano blew its top? The plants were all icky and yellow. I would have been hungry if the sunlight hadn't come back, Lynx continued. Madame Thor said nothing. See the volcano in the background? There won't be another volcano, will they? Asked Budge. We hope not, said Madame Thor, but long ago a huge space rock hit our planet. So that's when you guys see the video of the science experiment of the asteroid hitting the Earth, that's what she's talking about when she says a huge space rock hit our planet. That rock was a meteorite. The dust cloud lasted for years. Most plants died, and so did many of our ancestors. So this is what, look how cute, she's so worried. So the big space rock, that's what you will watch in your video. Budge looked sad. Even Lynx stopped munching on trees. Maybe an even bigger meteorite hit Earth, said Budge. Maybe none of the Earth dinosaurs could find food to eat, she sighed. Poor Earth dinosaurs. I'm glad that didn't happen to us. So am I, said Lynx, and he ate another branch, just in case. So this is just a little introduction to our extinction work that we're gonna do. But you guys will watch your video. I want you to find and mark the Yucatan Peninsula on your map. And then we're gonna move into the Cenozoic era and learn about that and learn about the mammals of that time. Okay, and then we'll be done with our timeline of life. That'll be it. We've gone all the way from bacteria to humans. That's it. Okay, see you guys later.